made in America. From the hands that build it all, from the factory floors to the farm fields, from the mountains to the asphalt roads. Ain't perfect, never claim to be, but they're still fighting these old streets. Still a little bit of fire, still a little bit of faith in the people made in America. A welder watching sparks fly in the dark, a mechanic keeping an old engine's heart, a farmer planting seeds he might never see, a father working overtime for his family, a woman on the night shift keeping dreams alive.